Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're navigating the crypto world in 2025 and need to move your Polkadot tokens from Kraken to Gemini, you're in the right spot. This quick guide will walk you through the process step by step, helping you stay secure and efficient. Whether you're diversifying your investments or just reorganizing your assets, let's dive in. First off, before we start, make sure you have verified accounts on both Kraken and Gemini. You'll also need some DOT tokens in your Kraken wallet and two-factor authentication, 2FA, enabled on both platforms to keep things safe. Crypto transfers can be straightforward, but always double-check details to avoid any mishaps. Step 1. Log into your Kraken account. Once you're in, head over to the Wallets section and locate your Polkadot balance. This is where you'll initiate the withdrawal. Step 2. Select Polkadot from your wallet options and choose the Withdraw button. You'll be prompted to enter a recipient address. Don't worry, we'll get that next. Step 3. Switch to your Gemini account. Log in, go to your wallet, and find the Polkadot deposit address. Copy it carefully, and verify it's for the Polkadot network to prevent any errors. Step 4. Back on Kraken, paste the Gemini address into the withdrawal form. Enter the amount of DOT you want to send, review any network fees, and hit confirm. You'll likely need to approve this via 2FA. Step 5. Once confirmed, the transaction will process on the blockchain. This could take a few minutes to an hour, depending on network traffic in 2025, so grab a coffee and keep an eye on your email notifications. Finally, once it's complete, log back into Gemini and check your wallet to ensure the Polkadot has arrived. If it doesn't show up right away, give it some time or reach out to support. A quick tip. Always use the exact network specified, Polkadot's own network in this case, and never rush transfers. That wraps up our guide. If you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more crypto tips. Thanks for watching, and stay safe out there.